Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing video. This time we are going to unbox another package that we got from Amazon. This is the PS5 stand, a stand for holding PS5, cause my cats keep pushing things and breaking things, so I didn't want to take the risk of that with my PlayStation 5, the brand new PlayStation 5 that I purchased a few days back. So I didn't want to take the chance, hence I bought this wall mount compatible for PS5 console. So let us go around the box and see what are the details written on it. Wall mount compatible for PS5 console, custom wall mount, space saving, quick heat dissipation. Okay, on the other ends, on either ends. Okay, let's open this and see what it looks like. Oh man, shit, I cut my finger. See that? Oh shit, I just cut my finger because of the sharp edge of the box, but no problem. If the product is good, I'm happy. I don't mind. Oh, this looks like a quality product. Okay, it does not have a holder or something like that, so let's take this out. But this is heavy. I can feel the weight and the quality of this metal. I got it for about, what is the cost of this? I guess about close to $1,000. But let's open this and show you what it looks like. And the metal is real thick. You know, you just keep it like this, right? Mount it on the wall. And drill it here. Let's see what we have. What do we have here? It's a white metal piece. I don't know what this is for. I've not been doing all this drilling work before, but you know, it's never too late to start learning and doing things right. So we have 4 screws. This is pipes to, you know, before you drill it in, this holds the screw right tight. But this metal, I'm impressed. The design and the quality of the metal is nice. You can see the thickness of the metal. This looks good to me. Not sure what this is for, but let's fix this on the wall and show you what it looks like. So this was the unboxing of the wall mount for PS5. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Let's also see whether our PS5 fits into this metal piece. Okay, let us see. We have our PlayStation right next to us, so let's try to fit this and see whether it fits in. It fits in perfectly, but there is also a little bit of gap which you can use to slide around the device. There is some gap behind as well, but that's that. No issues. We have a good product to keep our PlayStation on. So this was the unboxing of our PlayStation stand. Don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.